So where to from here? How do we recover? Who is responsible? You see, there's a missing component in our current inclusive growth strategies that connects people to opportunities existing in the labor market through education, logistics, and employment support. And in that, currently, there isn't enough proactive support to shape the nature of employment opportunities. Hence, the lootings take place. So how do we boost demand for skill? How do we influence the levels of income? How do we improve the conditions of employment contracts? You see, reducing poverty through job creation has been part of our inclusive growth approach. It's not sustainable. We need effective collaborations within communities. This will shape the relationship that we'll have with the institutions and service providers, as well as policymakers and businesses. So in our solution mind map of this looting scenario that has taken place, we need to rethink how to drive up innovation, creativity, and production. We need a more dynamic, socially innovative, and mobile-able market built around effective education and skills system. Whether it's young people entering the market for the first time, unemployed people seeking work, or underemployed people whose skills are underutilized. You see, an inclusive system must be able to enable people to fulfill their own potential and the potential of the economy that they are part of. So how do we then trigger consumer-driven employment that facilitates and ensures that household spending is strategically incurred, incapacitating the phasing out of skilled employees out of the labor market in order to facilitate the phasing in of semi-skilled unemployed individuals into the labor market?